Hi, I'm Christian with ApplianceVideo.com. Today we'll take a look at the diagnostics and a brief overview on this GE built-in dishwasher. A couple of unique notes to take on this GE dishwasher are the disassembly of the door and the machine control. The standard door has 8 to 10 screws on the perimeter of the door, and then you're able to separate the door. On this model, you actually have to remove the door entirely from the unit and then separate the door on a workable platform. The other note is the machine controls at the base of the unit.
Click on the link below to view this repair video. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step, giving you the confidence to avoid recalls and callbacks, also saving time on repairs. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, our videos have been created with you in mind. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive infield experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. We are here to help. Click on the link below to view this repair video and let us help you do it right the first time.